Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the proper needle and thread for your garment. The how matters. A finer needle for lightweight fabric, a larger for denim. Thread the needle, pull the thread through leaving a 2-3 cm tail, and tie a small knot. Start with a short backstitch a few millimeters from the raw edge to secure the seam. This gives strength and prevents unraveling. Once done, make sure your stitches sit evenly and tight but not puckered. You continue by maintaining consistent stitch length, roughly 2-3 mm for permanent seams, longer for basting, because uniformity distributes tension evenly. Pin or clip the fabric edges 1-2 cm apart and keep the layers flat. This prevents shifting as you sew. Work slowly, inserting the needle fully and pulling the thread through each time, then pivot at corners by leaving the needle in the fabric and rotating the piece. Make sure to backstitch at the start and finish to lock the row of stitches. You finish the repair by locking the seam, backstitch a few stitches, pull the thread through to form a small knot, and trim the excess close to the knot. Press the seam flat with an iron at the fabric-appropriate temperature to set stitches and smooth fibers. If stitches pucker or fabric gathers, adjust your technique. Reduce thread tension, try a slightly larger needle, or use shorter stitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if the thread keeps breaking, switch to a high-quality polyester thread and rethread to remove burrs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.